Hi guys, and welcome to another farming video. So right about now it's about after 5 a.m. and I am walking to my bush. Yeah, I walk go ground. So if you have to water your plants, you want to wake up from early in the morning and do it before the sun come out. That is if you're not on a drip line. So what I have done, I have taken up my drip line for this year because it's very fall year is very rainy. It's a lot of rain, so you don't really need drip. So I have taken up the drip. I'm approaching my pumpkin grass. That's me, guys. So I'm approaching my pumpkin ground right now. Yeah, so this is the pumpkin. So what I did was I burned it out with a little burner, little weed killer. And yesterday I come back and I took out the little grass. Them see them there? That was still in there. So this is the pumpkin, guys. There's two nice sized pumpkin on this one because I didn't really plant this pumpkin. This pumpkin came up on its own. I'm gonna show you guys the pumpkin. So it's very dark. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So that's a pumpkin. The next one somewhere. But I can't hang around for that right now, guys. I have to move along. I don't want the sun to catch me waiting because trust me, sun's very hot these days. Especially even if the rain fall. This is a clear section I have. I want to plant some cabbage here and over here. So also I'm gonna get it burned with weed killer. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna plant there as yet. To show you guys the blossom of the pumpkin if you didn't know how pumpkin blossom. This is the blossom of the pumpkin. Very nice and yellow. Yeah, so as I was saying before, I planted these beans the other day and I didn't really plant them. Bean was planted here before and then I bust back up, yo. So yes guys, up at the top there, so I want to plant some cucumber. Fall here is a good season to plant in St. Elizabeth because you get a lot of rain. So you don't have to thing about it is I have to wait because I planted on Saturday. Those are the broccoli. So I planted on Saturday and I haven't got much rain. All I get is juju rain, so I have to wait. But more than likely you're gonna be getting rain. Heavy rain in this month of September. So guys, I'm not gonna stay with you guys too long because I wanna start and wet. So those are the bucket that I'm going to be using. So yes guys, these sucker they haven't catch as yet. So I have to water them. You see, whenever they catch, I can stop watering them every day and probably water like every other day if there's no rain. But if there's rain and they catch and the rain fall, I don't have to water them at all. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, this hose is what I use to run the water from a tank up at the top there. It's got a lot of grass. I don't have to buy any mulch this year. I have my own mulch. So what I can do is I can go and cut them and let them dry and then take them up and put through the ground. So yes, for now guys, bye bye and thanks for watching.